Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to appear in LinkedIn recruiter searches step by step, fully updated for 2026. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile is key to getting discovered by recruiters and landing the right opportunities. Let's start. First, optimize your headline, include your role, key skills, and industry keywords. For example, software engineer, React and Node.js, full stack developer. A clear, keyword-rich headline improves your visibility in searches. Next, complete your About section with relevant keywords. Highlight your expertise, achievements, and the type of roles you're targeting. Use natural language, but include terms recruiters often search for. Now focus on experience. List roles with clear titles, responsibilities, and measurable results. Include keywords relevant to your industry to help LinkedIn match your profile in recruiter searches. Update your skills and endorsements. Add at least 15 to 20 relevant skills and prioritize those commonly searched in your field. Request endorsements from colleagues to boost credibility. Customize your LinkedIn URL. A clean URL like linkedin.com/in/yourname looks professional and improves search results. Activate open to work/recruiter visibility. Go to settings arrow job seeking preferences arrow. Let recruiters know you're open. Make sure your profile is visible to recruiters in your target industry. Engage on LinkedIn, share posts, comment on relevant content, and join industry groups. Active profiles rank higher in recruiter searches. Finally, get recommendations. Ask supervisors or colleagues for authentic recommendations that highlight your skills and achievements. And that's it. By optimizing your headline, About section, experience, skills, URL, recruiter settings, activity, and recommendations, you can appear prominently in LinkedIn recruiter searches and attract the right opportunities. Hey everyone!